Happy birthday, Tita Lani. More birthdays to come. Good health and stay pretty. We love you. God bless.
Hi, Lani! Happy birthday! Love you! Mwah, mwah.
Mahal kong pamangkin, sana maging masaya ka sa araw ng birthday mo. Pasensya ka na, hindi kami makakauwi. Kasi masama ang panahon. Enjoy your day. And walang maglalasing masyado ha. Wala kang kasamang sasayaw. Wala si Tita. Mahal kita, alam mo yan. Ingat kayo dyan at God bless. Love you!
Hello! Happy birthday, Ate Lani. Handa na natin ngayon na. Nakakamiss nung kabataan natin, di ba? Ang dami kong namimiss sa'yo eh. Ang wish ko lang sa'yo, sana bigyan ka pa ng mahabang buhay ng ating Panginoon. Malusog na kalusugan, masayang puso palagi. Happy birthday. Mahal ko kayo. Bye-bye!
Hello, Lan! Good evening! Happy birthday! Nawahing dalangin ko di na nakapanglugod, lakas ni kikatamang Ginoo pang patuloy na kapangakayabeng maluwat. At nawa, Lani, mag-enjoy ka kay birthday mo, maging masaya ka. At sana di magbayo kay kami rin pangunangan mo. Salamat king kaya ganaganawali. Iketang saw mo kaya milabas ang ponong at kami ken nung nanoy tang atin kayo ipadalayo kaya kami. Salamat be, salamat king lugod, king suporta pong saw mo kaya kami din pangunangan mo. Ulitan ko, happy birthday and God bless you always. Love you.
Happy birthday, Tita Lani.
Happy birthday, Ate Lani, ang pinakamaganda kong pinsan. Bigyan mo lang sa pangatawan. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Tita Lani. Love you. Happy birthday, miss you.
Ate Lani, happy birthday! More birthday to come!
At sana tumagal pa yung buhay mo para matagal pa rin ang inuman natin. At, at magre-reunion pa tayo ulit. Happy birthday, Ate Lani!
God bless!
Bye-bye!
Hello, Ate Lan. Happy birthday. Wish ko sana laging healthy at saka laging pretty. I miss you. Happy birthday again.
Hello, te. Happy birthday. Naway lagi kang malusog at laging masigla. Layo ka sa anumang karamdaman. Mahal na mahal kita, ate. You are the best ate in the world. Lagi mong tatandaan, mahal na mahal kita. I love you. Happy birthday to you.
Birthday, Tita Lani. I love you, Ma.
Hello, te. Happy birthday. Sana maging masaya ka ngayong birthday mo. Wish ko kay ka. Sana dakal pang birthday natangkay ka. At sana ingatan na kayo palagi ng ginupen. Sana minsan one day may kabanding tamo ni. Kasi sobrang miss na kayo. Happy birthday. Hello.
Happy birthday, Tilane. Kamusta na? Wish ko kay ka. Nano pa ba? Dakal na kapero? Pautangan mo na ako mo. Panayan ko ito. Ne? Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ate Lan! Happy 25, 15, 15? Ilan taon ka na ba? 25, 20, 35. Masaya ako na miras ka kayong edad mong kantiyan na malusog at proud ko kaya kayo nga doang misawang Kuya Romy. Proud ko kaya kayo. Proud ko kaya kate na kada mumunta kami keng lugar yu, keng arayat, mo kami paboren, dan pamilya Santos, sobra lang, kakit ko na sobra mo lang kaluguran. Tuloy kaya ka, ay pamagasikaso mo kaya kami, pagati kami sobra happy feel me, na bagamat alala kami pengari, pero bagamat alanay na ko, pero pagminta kami, din pamilya Santos, mo kami paboren, kagad sisikasuhan mo kami. Nawa marakal pang birthday datang kaya at nawa marakal pang Aldo na may punta kami para nasa mi pasibayo pa magasikaso mo kaya kami. Proud na proud ko kaya kateng. Happy birthday. Love you. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Hello Ate Lani, kumusta na? Ngayon Aldo ngayon nawaing alangpak ng lugod at kapayapan ng Ginoo yung lagi mong maranasan. Tunay kang mapalad. Misan pa, aranasan mo pa yung panibayong banwa na ng Diyem. Amis ng lugod at kapayapan. Nawa patuloy na pang pagkalob ng Ginoo ing alang hanggang pagpapala. Kingke kang biye, kaya bening pamilya mo at deng apo mo. Nawa ibiye na pang ning Ginoo ing nasa ning kaya kang puso at magtagumpe ing kaya ganaganaw mong plano. Magamat araranasan mo na yung katagumpayan ing sumangid na nita yung patuloy pangaranasan nito. Happy birthday Ate Lan, and God bless you. At lagi mong tandaan, sabi na ng King Jeremiah 29:11, for I know the plans I have for you. Sabi ng Ginukeka, plans to prosper you and not to harm you. Plans to give you hope and a future. Mabuhay!
Hi! Gusto ko lang batiin ang aking Ate Lani ng happy birthday. Today is your birthday, so dapat maging masaya ka. Ang wish ko sa'yo, more years to celebrate, more happiness, peace of mind, at alam mo naman na maraming nagmamahal sa'yo. Ang lagi ko lang gustong hingin sa Panginoon yung bigyan kanya ng malakas sa pangangatawan. Abutan pa natin yung senior natin. Hindi na tayo bumabata. Tumatanda na tayo. So, dapat iingatan natin yung ating sarili. Less alak. Iwasan mo na yung mga nakakalasing. Katulad ng kape, soft drinks, joke lang, emperador, pundador, red horse. Medyo bawas-bawasan para hindi ka na pumunta sa doktor. Again, happy birthday. Enjoy your day. At alam mo naman, nandito lang ako para sa'yo. Love na love kita. At lagi mong tatanggapin. Mas maganda ako sa'yo. Happy birthday. I love you.
Hello, friend. Happy birthday kaya ko. Sana wish ko kaya ko good health at makabang biyayin ng Apo Ginoo, patuloy na blessing pagkalob na kaya. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Lan!
Happy birthday po, tita. Wish you for the best. Lani! Lani, kanta yun ah. Ano ba? Ano pala yung bat?
Shoutout sa yon. Shoutout sa iyo, Tita Lani. Happy birthday. Ingat ka palagi diyan.
Hindi, enjoy ka muna daw.
Yon. Happy birthday. Para sa mama ni Angelica. Bakit mo lang tama? Tita Lani.
Happy birthday. Ano pangalan?
Tita Lani.
Happy birthday, Tita Lani.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Lani. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Tita Lani. Wish you all the best. Thank you so much. Love lots.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Shit.
This is Christian Bautista. Happy birthday. This is my gift for you. A kiss. And I hope that this year will be one of your best. God bless you. Happy birthday. Nakikita ko birthday mo raw. Enjoy mo yan. Happy birthday. God bless.
Hello! And happy birthday! Kamusta ka na? Enjoy ka ngayong araw mo. And God bless you.
Happy birthday. Ang prayer ko ay sana'y mas maging malusog, maging masaya, at mas maging maunlad. Continue to be kind, continue to touch other people's lives, and once again, mula po sa aking puso, isang maligaya, mapayapa na kaarawan. Stay kind.
Happy birthday to Beauty Gonzalez. Enjoy your birthday and God bless you. Ingat po palagi. Bye! Mwah!
Happy birthday po. God bless you. May you have many more. Oh, by the way, I'm Sharon. Nice to meet you. No, nice. Never mind. See you soon.
Share with you something it's found in the book of Psalms, the 92nd Psalm, the 14th verse. It says, "I will keep you fruitful even in old age, fresh and green." So I'm not going to say how old you are, because really, you know, if that promise is real, then you never really get old, right? Happy birthday. See ya.
I just wanted to say, happy birthday surprise! Sana naging sobrang masaya po ang iyong special day. Happy birthday! Mwah!
Happy birthday po, and all the best. God bless.
I'd just like to greet you happy birthday. God bless you. Hope to see you.
Thank you.
Happy birthday. Wish you all the best and more birthdays to come. Enjoy your life and be happy always. And don't forget to pray to God. Give thanks. Thank you.
Happy birthday po. Sana makarating ako sa inyong kaarawan. Lagi po kayo mag-ingat. God bless you and more power. At lagi niyo po ingatan ng inyong health. I love you.
What's up? It's David Licauco. Just wanting to greet you a happy birthday. Syempre, hindi ko makakalimutan yung birthday mo. So ayun, I hope that lahat ng dreams mo matupad. At saka, I heard that you're very good looking and you're nice and you're a sweet person. So hopefully, someday, I'll meet you. At saka, yun, sana dumaming projects mo. Ano pa ba? Yun, God bless you. Stay safe. Tsaka, ayan, magkita tayo someday. Ingat.